Friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create or make game pass in Roblox for the please donate. So first of all you have to go to roblox.com on your phone. Once you reach here you have to tap on create, but first of all if you are new, if you haven't logged in your Roblox on browser, then it will take you to the login page where you have to enter the login username and password. Then it will take you to this home page. So if you are not being able to see this page, you have to log in first and then it will take you to this home page. And now once you reach here, just tap on three dot in your browser. So if you're using a Chrome browser, if you're using iPhone, then guys, to enable the desktop version, you have to tap on smallest a and capital A icon in the search bar. So you just tap on it and enable the desktop version. And if you're using Android, just tap on three dot and enable this desktop side mount, because this website it works only on the desktop version. So if you want to use this website on mobile, then you must have to enable the desktop version. So now once you enable it, just tap on create tab and it will take you to this creation dashboard. So there are four tabs: experiences, events, tasks, items and development items. So you have to be in the experiences, you don't have to change your tab. Now you have to tap on this image. Once you tap, and now if you want to create a game pass, just tap on menu bar, three bars, and tap on this associate items. So it will take you to the associate item. So in associate item you will find passes. Fine. So after the new update, the passes, if you want to create passes, then these steps you have to follow. So tap on passes and your passes will be listed here. So if you want to create game pass, just tap on this create a pass button. It will take you to this page where you have to upload the image should be in the jpg, png and bmp format. Then you have to enter the name of the game pass, then you have to enter the description of the game pass. So this is not mandatory, you can leave this as empty. So now you have to tap on this create pass. So once you done all these things, now the newly game pass will be appear here. So suppose this is my newly game pass, and if you want to configure it, you have to tap on it. So we usually configure for the sale. So if you want to configure the game pass for the sale, then you have to tap on the game pass, then you have to tap on this menu button again and tap on sales. So now you have to enable this item for the sale. To just tap on this toggle button to enable it for the sale, and you can enter the price, any price you want. So this game pass will be work as a donation button in the please donate. Fine. So I'm going to change it to 70 robux. We already know that creators earning will be 70%, so it means I will get 49 out of 70. So now tap on this save changes. So the your game pass will be set up for the has been set up for the uh, please donate. So you just need to add this game passes on please donate, and if anyone of user purchase any coin game donation buttons, then you will get the 70 out of percent. So that's a brilliant way to earn the Robux in Roblox for free. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.